Whether from the street or high above, skyline photographer Joseph Hubert captures the city's messages before they fade into the night sky.
People really love connecting with their home and seeing the visual lights. That's the beautiful thing about the Dallas skyline. Dallas is always about the moment. Seeing those lights, it really connects to everybody around. I really enjoy showcasing what's happening in Dallas through the light shows. I'm a storyteller, and the skyline is a great story to tell. It's surreal sometimes how much it really means to me. It's a real privilege to be able to do what I do and then connect with the amazing people in my home like I do.